the compact yet powerful creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Together with the easy-to-use DJI Fly app, you'll enjoy a simplified flying experience and a perspective unlike any other. Weighing under 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable and places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones, which in many countries may exempt it from certain regulations. For example, in the United States and Canada, you can fly Mavic Mini without the need to register your drone with the government. Just select your quick shot and Mavic Mini will execute an elaborate preset motion while recording. Take the automatically generated short video and share it instantly with friends on social media. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has Flight Tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. Mavic Mini can be equipped with a 360 degrees propeller guard that fully protects the propellers and improves flight safety. Thanks to its downward vision sensing system and GPS, Mavic Mini can also hover precisely both indoors and outdoors. A dedicated remote controller maintains an HD video feed at a distance of up to 4 km. Detachable control sticks can be easily stored inside the remote controller for added portability. The DJI Fly app offers a variety of creator templates that generate awesome videos with just a tap. Even beginners with no editing experience whatsoever can turn any moment into a social media hit. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K Quad HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. The DJI Fly app gives users integrated access to SkyPixel, a social media platform for users to share their aerial photos and videos. Browse work, share your own, and even discover popular aerial photography spots in your area. Personalize your Mavic Mini with a wide range of compatible accessories when you use the Snap adapter. Shots that look like they came from a Hollywood film set are just a few taps away with Mavic Mini's quick shot modes, which include Drone, Circle, Helix, and Rocket. Mavic Mini's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer fly cams on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Measured at a constant speed of 14 km/h in windless conditions. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.